Hi, let us understand about Jstl core tag libraries. Most of the time we will be using this specific tag libraries and the version we are going to use for our demo purpose is 1.2. As a part of core tag libraries, we do have the libraries to import any Java class or work with the variables in terms of setting a variable as well as removing a variable, handling the exceptions as well as condition handling like if conditions, for loop iterations and URL handling in terms of redirecting it to another URL or downloading the data from another URL. We are going to see demo for each and every tag library. Let's go ahead and create a sample demo. Let me create a subfolder so that the organization of the JSP will be much easier. Let me name the folder as Jstl. Within Jstl, let me go ahead and create a file with the name. So it's of type JSP core_1_out.jsp. As we had seen earlier, I can refer to the tag library using the directive taglib. So the syntax is less than %@ taglib and the identifier of the tag library within the jar file and what should be the prefix to be used for that specific tag library. As we did earlier, I have already imported the libraries, that is Jstl 1.2.jar, and if that is required, I can download from the Marvin repository from this specific location. I can search for Jstl version 1.2 and I can download the jar file and add it as a part of the lib folder. Let me change the title. So I'm going to see a small demo of out. It's going to print the value that I am providing, and value could be an expression language or it could be a string as well. So here I am using the tag library with the prefix that I have defined over here, that is C:out, and I am going to put the value over here. It could be any parameter or an expression as well. Let me go ahead and execute this specific JSP. The server is in the stopped state. Let me finish and the server will get started and the browser will get opened in a new window. So I do have the output value that is getting printed. And this will be very useful to print any variable that is available as a part of the scriptlet or other tag variables or parameter or an attribute. We are going to use this particular out tag more frequently in future sessions. So in a quick summary, we have seen how to use the URI as well as how to add the libraries as a part of the lib folder, and the first tag that we have used, that is out tag of Jstl core.